Hello traders, Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart. Automatically on daily basis you will receive calls in this chart. Whenever your trend changes you will receive calls in this chart. On daily basis you are just going to watch the chart and get the calls. Today November 7th Monday. Market opened as a positive market and it's a gap up opening 41,800. It's a high time trading in Bank Nifty. So the current situation is previous day a buy call generated, market closed at the first target range. Today the gap up, so the buying momentum is following. After 10:45 am the momentum is changed. Due to the selling momentum, a red color candle opened, sell at 41,705, a entry point has been triggered. So a new signal generated. This is our today November 7th first a fresh signal. In this signal, as you can see, the sell call generated. Due to it's a sell call, if you are a future trader, you can take a entry point at the 41,705 range. If you are a option trader, you can go for the put option. Whichever the premium you can affordable, you can choose that premium also. Below red color line are our target line. The first red color line is the first target range, that is more than a 100-point momentum. Below the second red color line is the second target range, more than a 200 point is required. And the above line is the stop loss line. So like this, whenever your market trend changes, you will receive calls in live market. Within 1 minute of the sell call generated, the target has been almost a 70% is reached. Let's wait and see how it works. Within 15 minutes of the sell call generated, market break out the first target range. In first 1 minute itself, 70% of the target reached, but due to a supporting range in the 41,600, it is not able to break out freely. But after a breakout of 41,600 range, more than a 120-point momentum has been reached in the downside selling momentum. Coming week expiry out of the money option, Bank Nifty weekly option chart, 41,500 put option. Since it's a sell call, we are showing it in put option chart. At 252 range, the buy call generated and market move all the way up to the 295 range. So like this only the option chart will look. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart means just send me a hi message in WhatsApp. I will provide you the subscription detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe it and enjoy your intraday trading on daily basis. Thank you.